Peace and love.
Very lonely out here in the battlefield. A man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. Okay. I hear a bubbling.
Well, actually fire. Robert, you're on point. You're
That may or may not hit
Can
me.
you not do that? No. Let's go down this way. I'm following you guys.
I have a
You're
golf
on-
ball.
I'm squad leader, man. You gotta protect me.
I have a golf ball. If I hit somebody with this, it's automatic the entire team is dead.
I'm squad leader, motherfucker. Alright.
I got a number 3 long drive golf ball with your name on it. Make the low. Oh wait, that's not a golf ball. Make the low ball. Tell me, brother. Make it cover each other. Where's the other team? There's two, man. They're not moving. They're scared shitless. Probably because we were singing. They don't know what the fuck they're doing. Probably because we were singing. Uh-oh. You know, there's really nothing to do.
You're fucking up the fire.
Behind that tree that's cooking. See the tree's cooking? There we go. Got contact to the right. Gun's on fire. Oh, hey. I'm out! Are you out? Really? You just got shot in the tooth? Damn, son! Hey, this golf ball's for next round. I don't know, dude. Really only goes back because I don't feel like being this close. Down here. Laying down. You got it. Gotcha.
I think I got Jay.
Woo-wee!
There's not one over near you, right?
Yep, and then let's go forward. One more down this ridge. I got any cover in front. Got a master.
Two over there. I see two.
I hope you guys remember that you outnumber us, just for the record. Alright, you ready to go back down that way? Ready? Third one. Look, cover! Drop it up! Drop it up! Cover! Drop it up! Cover! Out. Okay. Jay, now. Jay! Let's go, Jay! Ha ha ha!